All right, it's time for spring planting. And why do I have a bucket of pine cones? Well, because I'm going to use them in the bottom of my pots to kind of give it a little bit of space down there. It's almost like adding grit, I think. And it's worked well in the past. They're nearly indestructible. They sort of last till the end of the season. They keep the soil from compacting down the bottom too much, so I'll show you what it looks like. By the way, what we're planting is caladium bulbs that we dug out last year and put into sawdust, and it looks like they're in pretty good shape, so we'll plant those. By the way, you may have asked, where do I get these pine cones from? Well, glad you asked that. And there's a bountiful harvest here, provided by these beautiful pine trees, which you can barely see the tops of, and they just scatter them around, awaiting me to pick them up. And if you don't have pine cones, then just plain old wood chips probably would do the same thing to kind of keep the bottom of it from becoming too compacted. So you can try that too. Not too big a deal. Put a couple in the bottom for a pot this size, like that. A pot that size, I filled it up probably to about here with pine cones, so that I've got that about 5 or 6 inches of soil down there. But I just go around and fill each pot up a little bit, like that. No big deal. And then put the soil in it. And so I've put 1 or 2 pine cones in the bottom of these little ones. These guys, now I've put soil in, and I've got a little of that sawdust on top. So I've dug up some of our lovely rich garden soil here. This is from our composter right there, and it helps to make this soil beautiful. I get them about yay full. Put a bulb in. That's a good sized one. Put a bulb in, a little more dirt on top. Oh, we got a worm out of that one, didn't we? No, that's just a stick. And that's it. That's all she needs. So I'll just keep going here. But pine cones, bottom of the pot. Good job. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video. Bye.